Just came home. I'm gonna grab the mail here. But what I'm most excited for is this package. It's broken, probably the next project. But what I'm most excited for is going to be this package here. Story to follow once we get back into the shop. All right, we're back here at the wood shop. Please pardon the mess, but we're just gonna open this package up here on Amazon. Yep. Try to do this one-handed, but here we are. So this is going to be my color box. Nice. So this here, see that there? M18 adapter for MILWAUKEE. I'm sure you guessed it. We have some sort of Milwaukee adapter here. So this here is a battery adapter. So here we have, it's a old school 18 volt Milwaukee to M18 adapter. So had a guy give me all of these old school Milwaukee tools, 18 volt tools. Here is a circular saw. Got all kinds of wood dust on them, so I gotta take the blower to them, the compressor blower to them. But you see that Milwaukee 18 volt. So these predate the M18 and the M18 fuel tools. So these are pretty dirty, but once I get through with them, they'll be nice and clean. This is what I'm really excited for. This old school Milwaukee Sawzall with the hatchet. I've only heard stories about this guy, but see, this guy kind of has a joint there, so it bends up to 90 degrees. Pretty sweet. And here you can toggle the ratcheting action on and off. Here we have old school Milwaukee power drills. I believe this is a hammer drill actually, because you have the hammering option there. And this here is the battery. Check this thing out. This thing is ancient. Too bad it doesn't have a manufacturer date on there, but yeah, just an old school Milwaukee 18 volt. Look at these guys. Here's the charger. It's an old school heavy duty Milwaukee charger. Pretty gnarly, huh? Pretty old. If anyone can tell me in the comment section how old these tools actually are, I'll probably end up just Googling it, but if anyone knows off the top of their head, let me know. These are pretty sweet. So here's the adapter. So the adapter, I'm assuming just kind of, sorry, yeah, I'm doing this with one hand, but looks like you have a USB adapter on there too. Pretty sweet. So this guy just kind of slides in there. Cool. Let me pull this out of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my one of my M18 batteries, fuel batteries there, and this guy just slides in there like so. Man, yeah, it's really bulky, but I'm pretty excited to see how this thing works. So looks like the adapter does work. Pretty sweet. We'll go ahead and pull that off. You know it works. So I just kind of want to test the other tools out. One sec. God, this is hard to take out. Okay, so there's that. Let's try out this circular saw now. Just slide that adapter in there. Oh, there it is. And this thing is so old looking, but look at how bulky it makes it. Pretty sweet. Old school here. A lot of the features are actually pretty similar to the M18 Fuel. It is pretty obvious that there's different features on the new one now, but overall it looks a little similar. But let's see if it works. Oh yeah. You know, that's the one thing. That's the one thing I really love about these Milwaukee circular saws. Is you start it up, and the second you let go of the trigger, the blade stops. Talk about safety, huh? All right, so now let's try the, again, these things pretty hard to take off. Let's try one of these hammer drills. There it is. Works just fine. Nice. Okay, so we're in business here. Stand by for a video where I actually try these out, and I might even grab a buddy and try these out against the M18 Fuel tools. Thanks for coming back to the IGCPR and more woodshop. Ivan here. I hope you're as excited as I am for the next video. Thank you.